Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Steph. My first time at TJ Maxx in a very long time. If you guys want to see what I ended up getting, all the goodies that I saw and checked out, then keep on watching. Hey guys, remember to subscribe if you have not. Please rate the video thumbs up and make sure your bell is on so you're notified. Thank you. So, hey guys, we are at, you guessed it, TJ Maxx. So, I'm going to go ahead and, it's been a while since I've been here, so I'm going to go ahead and check out, see what they got, and let y'all know, okay? Hang on. So, hey guys, really quickly. Yeah, I'm here, TJ Maxx. Don't mind the mask. Anyway, so let's check out what they got.
What's there?
Oh, okay, well doesn't matter. So we have a whole bunch of Anastasia lipsticks. A lot of stuff that I haven't seen before here. They do have this, which I'm really liking. Of course, that's a little jinked up, but as a matter of fact, I do have some in here. So here's one. This is the Anastasia Blush Trio, which is only, let's see, $9.99, which is good. And then we have the Stila Souffle Skin Perfecting Color. I don't know what shade this is in, but that's only $13. I did find some other stuff that I'm like oh so surprised to see here, which is this one right here. This is the Becca Pearl Glow. And let's see how much they're asking for that. $23.99. Now I don't know what the retail value is. I'll try and look it up through the video. You guys could see what the savings is. But there, right there it is, $22.99. Which I don't know if that's good or bad. I will see. And again, they have Cover FX. These are all new brands that I'm seeing. Well, some of them anyway. Cover FX for $7.99. This is the setting powder, the matte setting powder. A lot of Morphe stuff now. We never had Morphe in this TJ Maxx before. This is really the first time that I'm seeing it. So this is the high impact highlighter in the shade Blend the Rules. Oh no, sorry. In the shade Boom, which is probably, and they're only asking $7.99. I don't know how much it normally is. I will look it up for you guys. Also, they have the Bronzer, which is so cool. I've seen that before. I don't know if it's like that, but let's see. What do they want for this one? Which, where's the price? It is $7, I believe. Let's see. Focus. Yep, $7, $6.99. And they also have BH Cosmetics, which is the foundation. I've never tried this foundation. I am on the hunt for a new one, but let's see. Where's the price on this? Oh yeah, for $5, guys. Okay. And then this one, which is, I've never seen this at my TJ Maxx, a Sephora item. This is Sephora Pro. It's a dimensional highlighting palette in the shade, in the warm. And let's see what they're asking for that here. Only $6. And I'm not sure how much it is over at Sephora, but we'll see. I'm going to head over to skincare and see what I can't find. But yeah, oh, and here's another thing that I have never seen. It's the Morphe 25 Deep Oh Boy palette. And I don't know how much these go for. I think if it, per the sticker on here, it says retail values for $19. What is that? I can't see. Yeah, $19. They want 13 for here. So okay, so let's go ahead and see to the skincare, because that's really what I'm looking for. Some hyaluronic acid for underneath my eyes. So let's go check her out. So wow, so here's,
finger on there.
So here's, no, oh sorry, there's Murad. Oh look, hubby's with me. Hubby's with me in TJ Maxx. Yes, I got him to come. That's a miracle, right? And what are they asking for? $20, which is not bad. This stuff goes for, oh god, last time I checked, I believe I have this. I actually have this, and I think Ipsy was asking, like, I don't know, I think they said it was like $72 or something, but I'll go ahead and put the price, you know, up there. But yeah, for $20, and it has a little case on it. Another thing that I see here is the Andalou. Now, you know I'm a big fan of Andalou. I have the vitamin C serum, which is really great. This is a creamy cleanser. How much are they asking for this? They have a lot of this brand on Yes Style. So I first got introduced to it by the Not So Evil Stepmother. $6.99. That is not bad either. So okay, they have a lot of Clinique. What is this? This is the facial wash right here. Liquid facial soap for $20. I don't know if that's good or bad. I really don't. What does it say? Compares at $29. Okay, so that's... And then they have the littler one for $11.99. Where is it? There you go. And it's usually $18. What is that? $16.50. Yeah, so... Alright, let's see what we have on the other side. So I caught this at the last second. Shiseido. I'm wondering how much... So they have the wrinkle resistance. Let's see what they want. This is really going to be expensive, I'm sure of it. 25 bucks. I wonder how much. It says it right here. You can see that. $24.99. They have the whole thing though. Look, they have everything here. So that's pretty awesome. They have a lot of stuff from this brand. Oh, and they have the Murads. I wonder, do they have the blue one? I'm looking for the blue kit. The skin perfecting. And this is a nighttime recovery. Listen guys, I'm telling you, these things value at $40 per. So if you were to buy them separately, forget about it. But here they have them for $24.99. I'm gonna see if they have a pink one. They also have the green one, which is the retinol, which I don't use. And yeah, that's awesome. I'm gonna see if I can't find myself a blue one, and I'll pick it up. Sorry, hang on. And then we have Elizabeth Arden, which I did pick this up. This is the Good Morning eye treatment. I used it this morning. Matter of fact, I just opened it up, and I did pick it up the last time, but I couldn't find it when I did my last last TJ Maxx haul. So they're $8, which I don't know. I guess is a good price. What does it say? It's valued at $14, so that's half price. That's not bad. Awesome, awesome. That's why I love TJ Maxx. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see, what else do we have here? I'm just going through. I really am looking for that Murad. Strivectin. And as y'all know, I have the Strivectin on eye cream, and let me tell you, $79. Not kidding. Let's see, what's this? Facial serum. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is like super expensive. $19.99. Let's see, valued at. How much are they asking for it? Let's see, guys. No, sweetie, I'm good, thank you. $30 originally, so that's not bad. $10 off, I guess. Let's see, what's this one? Neck cream. See, that's something I need. Get rid of those wrinkles I got on my neck. Right? Let's see. Oh, and only $20 too. How much is this normally? Let's see if I can find it. Oh, sorry for the shaky camera, guys. 27, so that's not too big of a discount. Then again, we got Clinique. I'm really going to try and find that Murad, so hang on. Now, this is also new for me. I've not seen Dr. Jart here before, so that's pretty cool. And I'm really starting to get into Dr. Jart. Actually, what was the one I wanted to get? Yeah, Dr. Jart Honey, whatever it's called. I'll fill it in up in the top. I'll put it in. So this is a lot of the skin. They have a lot of stuff here. I just don't know what I want. I'm really going to try and look for the Murad. I'm going to go check it out. Hang on, guys. And this seem to keep making its rounds. They were saying on BoxyCharm when we got it in our box that it was $42. Guys, I'm kidding you not. It's $7. Look. That's so funny. Oh, some more Cover FX. Definitely got some more Stila. What is this one? This is nice and shiny. What is this? What is this? Oh, pure. Let's see. Triple Threat Slime Line Mascara. I'm not sure how much. This is only $4. Retails at only $5. Okay, so that's not a big difference. A lot of e.l.f. products. And then we have, yeah. So here's a lot of the e.l.f. stuff they have, which I was trying to find. This is the brow product. I really do need my eyebrow pencil. Maybe if they have it, I'll grab it here. But I don't see it. That's not good. Okay, hang on. And then two here, we have the Kate Somerville, which you already know. I'm a big fan. Squalene hyaluronic. This looks really, really good. How much is this? $20. Retails for, what are they saying? Which, you know, BoxyCharm be saying it's all, that's $27 and they're selling. So that's not too big of a difference, but I don't know if that's really what the price is. I think that's the real price, and BoxyCharm be jacking up the price. I'm just saying. And then they have Jose Moran, which is awesome. $34 for the whole kit, which is not bad, guys. Not bad at all. There it is there, 34. Retails for, what is that? I can't see it. 46. You know it's bad. Does that say 46? Yeah, you know it's bad when I have to look through the camera to see. I don't have my glasses. Alright. I'm still looking for my Murad. I can't believe that. I did get one here on a clearance. It was $15 and I've been loving it, and I'm almost out of the Skin Perfecting Lotion and I really, really need it. I do have some of the cleansers left, and I have the mattifying primer. That was the 3 that came in it. But the mattifying primer I don't need because I'm not oily at all. But the lotion, it works pretty well. I can't believe all the Shiseido they have. That's awesome. Okay, hang on. Peter Thomas Roth. Where was that one I saw? Hang on. There it is. Peter Thomas Roth. This is not my shade, of course, but they're only asking $14. Well, $25 normally. I thought, oh, and this is, if I got this, I'll take it out. But this is the Peter Thomas Roth, which is unusually to see here. And again, it's only $25. Where's the price? Yeah, here. No, it's $14. Sorry, right there. It's not my shade though. So now we're gonna head over here to the clearance, which I think is the clearance. And I'm believing this would be clearance. Yeah, they don't have any box sets. I'm looking for that Murad. I don't see it anywhere. Purple shampoo. Pearlescence. I think they have Giovanni here too. I've seen that before. I do need a, oh, this is kind of cute. Makeup Revolution. There's the highlighting powder. Those are gorgeous. I wish I could wish I could wear Makeup Revolution. It just gets my eye. I don't know. It just doesn't go well with my skin, and the eyeshadows make my eyes tear. Well, let's see. They have a couple of palettes. Oh, and here we have this. The Peter Thomas Roth. I wonder how much they're, this was on the clearance rack. I don't know how much they're asking for this. There is no price. So, I don't know if this is stuff they're yet to put away or what. We do have some stuff up here. I just don't know what. No. Yeah, so, alright guys, let me see what else I can find. Hang on. And I'm looking for some hyaluronic acid for under my eyes. Now, I got my Vit C here, I believe, for $6, and that stuff retails for, oh my gosh, how much? I think it was like $42 or something like that, so that's crazy. They do have some Clean and Clear, Hello Fab, one of my favorite brands. And this is the mattifying gel for $12.99. Retail values at $27, so that's not too bad. That's pretty good. Oh, we have Origins, which is, I love Origins. I have a couple things from Origins. This one's at it's half price. One at $38 for it, but it's $18.99 here. I don't know. It doesn't look like I'm gonna find anything. I really, really wish they had that hyaluronic acid.
Hello, how are you?
But I can't find it. Here's some, but that's day cream. I want the kind that goes underneath my eyes. Not a fan of this brand. You can get this as Wars. I do like Thayer's though. That's awesome. I actually have this, and I have it in sheets too. Okay, well, I don't know. We have a bunch of L'Oreal, and then we have the Olay day cream. They don't have any rock. I don't see any rock here. Sorry. Yeah, so I don't see anything. I don't know if I'm going to get anything, but that Strivectin is looking awful nice down there for sure. I didn't see that one. Eye Concentrate for wrinkles. Let me tell you something. This is the one I have. I'm pretty sure it is. Let me see. Hang on.
Okay.
Yes, it is. That's the one I have. The tall reach. I got it for free as a try and review opportunity from BuzzAgent.com, and I still use it to this day, and I like it. I alternate back and forth. I have a ton of eye creams, guys. It's ridiculous. I wonder how much they're asking for this. So this is $15. Normally only $20. I don't know why they're telling me it was $79. That's how much they told me this was. $79. I don't know. But so here, this goes back down here. So yeah, they do have a lot. I wish they had that one skit from the Mirrorette. I'm really liking that Mirrorette, boy. I really am. Like, sorry, my camera shut up. I said I'm really liking that Mirrorette. I just wish they had the blue one. They have a bunch of green ones, which is for the retinol. And you know me and retinol. No. But this is not bad. And I can't believe they have Kate Summer here. And then they, of course, we have Estee Lauder, which I do see her a lot. And now they have a lot of, I've not seen this brand here before yet. That's awesome. Here we go. See what I always tell you? What's good for Manuka Honey? This is a night recovery cream. That is looking pretty good. I don't know. I don't know about this brand, but I don't know. That's not what I came here for. Hang on, guys. And then they have the, on the clearance rack, they have the L'Oreal Dew Dreamer. I believe those are the drops for $3.50. That's crazy. This is the clearance rack. Oh, and they have another Too Faced palette that is looking oh so messed up. It's missing a couple things. What's this one? Who's that? Let's see. Oh, okay. And another L'Oreal here. So we have this one. This is Beach Matte Baked Hydrating. Okay, Baked Hydrating Bronzer. That sounds. L'Oreal bronzers are supposed to be really good. I wonder. Oh, this isn't deep. That's definitely not my shade. How much are they asking for this? Oh my God! It's only $7. Awesome. There's a ton of stuff on here, but not the one I'm looking for. My Strivectin. Not for the car?
Yeah.
I have one.
Yeah, but you need the back piece for it.
So I'll just buy a magnet at AC Moore's right here.
I'm buying this with my money.
You know, I'm not using that. They break.
No, they don't.
Hold on, guys. So I found this one too, guys, which I'm a big fan, like I said. This is the Intensive Peel. Where is it? There you go. And I love a Hello Fab product for $15. I don't know if that's good or bad. I guess it's 25 normally. I don't know if you can go by there.
That's what I got about.
Magic Shave?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the lemonade mask. These are masks. I found some masks. They do have a lot of shea butter. It's cool. I also see the dry bar. I wonder. 160, and they want $160. This is the kit. The dry bar kit. It's got the blow dryer and everything, which is not bad, guys. Not at all. Another one here. I don't know if it's the same. No, it looks different. This one's $129 and this one's $129 as well. Are they the same? I don't think so, but that's not bad. See? Where's the price? There you go. Not used to where my camera is. And then this one too. Not bad. Check out, and I don't need one of these, but hubby is insisting that. I have the kind that sticks on your window, but so now he's buying this. Huh? So anyway, that's what we ended up getting. Excuse me, with the mouth. Anyway, we ended up getting that thing right there, which I told him I don't need.
Yeah, because she uses the phone
while I'm driving. He gets mad. Yep. But anyway, I do have one. It's the kind. Where is it anyway?
She's never gonna fix.
Where is it? I don't have to fix it. I just have to get a metal thing. But how am I gonna do it when I have my case on? Anyway, guys, that was my big TJ Maxx haul. I didn't get anything. Remember I said I was on a no bye-bye, but I wanted to see, and they did have a lot of Morphe. I couldn't believe it. I've never seen Morphe in there before. So much different Strivectin and the Murad sets. Can't believe the Murad sets. Honestly, guys, if you buy them, if you see same sizes on the website, $42. You know, $39 sometimes, but for $24, that was awesome. Anyway, we are headed to lunch, and I will see you guys later. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below, turn on your bell, you know, the whole routine. I would appreciate it. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We do all kinds of craziness, you know, and beauty related, both inside and out. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!